This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command & Conquer General's Zero Hour online. First, you will need a legitimate copy of the game installed on your computer. Next, we will cover the necessary software and configurations to get you connected. Playing online offers a fantastic way to experience the game's strategic depth against human opponents. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth setup process for countless hours of fun. To begin, ensure your Command & Conquer General's Zero Hour game is fully updated with the latest official patch. This patch addresses critical bugs and improves overall game stability. Following this, you will need to download a dedicated community online client, such as GenTool or Revora's C&C Online. These clients facilitate server connections and matchmaking, making online play possible. Always verify the client's compatibility with your game version for seamless integration. Once downloaded, install your chosen online client, typically by running its executable file. During installation, you will likely be prompted to locate your Command & Conquer General's Zero Hour game directory. This step is crucial for the client to properly launch and manage your game. After installation, create a free user account within the client. This account will be your identity for joining games and interacting with the online community. With the client configured, launch Command & Conquer General's Zero Hour directly through its interface. This ensures you connect to the community servers. Inside the game, navigate to the online multiplayer section. Here, you can browse a list of available game lobbies hosted by other players. Alternatively, you can create your own custom game, setting rules, maps, and inviting friends for a personalized experience. Enjoy countless hours of strategic battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.